History is very interesting subject all over the world. Be always curious to know about history and see on YouTube. This kind of historical videos are very popular and every video have more than million views. So today I have come up with the idea of making this kind of historical facts video with the help of AI. So let's start the video. So firstly we need to write the video script. If you have any kind of video script in your mind, so you can write it. Otherwise, I'll take help of ChatGPT. Come to the ChatGPT. I want to create a YouTube channel on historical facts. So give me 10 ideas. See, ChatGPT given 10 ideas. So I'll pick one idea. So I'll choose this one, epic battles and wars. Again, I'll ask ChatGPT, give me 10 topics about epic battles and wars segment. So they have given 10 topics. So I'll choose one topic. And again, I'll ask ChatGPT. Suppose I choose the first one. And again, I ask ChatGPT, write a video script on the Battle of Marathon in 100 words with visual prompts. Voiceover. So firstly, we need to copy this script and paste it in Word document. So see, these are my visual prompts and these are voiceover. So now I'll create images out of these visual prompts. So for that, you can use any text to image converter. So I'll use Leonardo AI. This is one of the best AI text to image generator. Copy the first visual prompt, paste it on Leonardo AI, give the negative prompt, choose the video size, generate. And see the amazing images are ready. You can simply download it from here. We need to copy all the image prompt. We need to generate all the visual one by one from this AI tool. See, so in the same way, we need to generate all the visual from this AI tool. So now we'll generate the voiceover. So for that, we'll take help of 11 labs because this is one of the best and next to voice generator. So simply we'll have to choose the voice. You can choose any voice. All the voices are so real. Paste the script. Customize it. Remove all the visual prompts. Generate voice. Voice is ready. Simply download it. So now we'll have to assemble this voiceover and this image. For assemble images and voiceover, I'll use flexclip.com. This is free online video editor. So simply we'll have to import it, all the files. Select all the file, voiceover and the images. Open it. So add in the timeline. So assemble voiceover and images. So simply you can add the subtitle also from here. Click Auto AI subtitle. Click Next. Choose the style. Generate. Subtitle got added. Simply you can export it from here. And
welcome to Obscurious AI. Today, we journey back to 490 BCE, the Battle of Marathon, a defining clash between Greece and Persia. As Persian forces landed on Marathon's shores, outnumbered Athenian soldiers faced an uphill battle. Led by Miltiades, the Greeks executed a brilliant flanking maneuver, turning the tide against the mighty Persian Empire. Witness the Marathon Messenger's legendary run, sealing Greek victory, the Battle of Marathon, where courage triumphed against all odds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more epic historical tales.